Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How about that? Well, they say many times that the third time is a charm, and I have never had this happen before. This morning I walked up and saw where this guy was working. This is my number 2 in this small area, just like another one that I talked about earlier this morning. And I caught a mole here on Sunday afternoon, and I figured that there was 2 because of how worked up an area was. I came back this morning, the area was worked up. I pounded behind him, and he went right down in a hole. So I walked it down and figured maybe he wouldn't work anymore for a while. Came back maybe a half an hour. He'd already worked this whole area up again. I got in place. He was over here, and by the time I got ready, he was already back over here. I pounded behind him on both sides, or in front and behind, or I tried, right back down a hole. I was a little frustrated and figured that was my last shot at this guy for a while. Put all the dirt back, walked him down again, walked down the runs again. Thought I would check it one more time because I have somewhere to be today, and I'll be. If that little dude wasn't so persistent, he was at it again. Well, I know that this neighbor is going to be so proud. It's by his area where he has a little tee and everything set up for golf. This guy has teed him off for the last time. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.